Audiophiles, listen up. You don't need a six-figure hi-fi setup to take your music obsession to the next level. Some of the most impactful gadgets for your audio life are surprisingly cheap, portable, and game-changing. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. First, a USB-C DAC dongle is essential for high-fidelity sound on the go. Forget bulky portable DACs because a small $10 to $30 dongle drives nearly any headphones at full quality. Keep one in your backpack, car, or desk, and your phone or laptop suddenly sounds like a true music machine. Next, shielded and balanced audio cables are a small investment with massive payoff. They block interference from everything around your home tech, keeping your stereo signal crystal clear. Mogami Gold and Hosa cables are the choice, offering durability and noise cancellation without breaking the bank, while protecting your hearing is just as important, and with high-quality earplugs like Loop Experience 2 or Eargasm, you can reduce volume without distorting sound, letting you enjoy concerts or bass-heavy shows without frying your ears. For wireless listeners, a USB-C Bluetooth dongle upgrades your devices with high-resolution codecs like ULDAC and aptX lossless solving iPhone and Windows audio limitations for $50 to $120. Finally, never underestimate the power of backup storage. Digital collections of FLAC or WAV files are fragile, so keep them safe on an external SSD like the Samsung T9 or supplement with cloud storage. With these gadgets, audiophiles can elevate their sound, protect their ears and libraries, all without emptying their wallets. Music lovers, are you ready to make every note count? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.